Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm doing my sinking funds today with my 6 categories. I'll take this out. I rolled the dice for this one and I have got £40. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and that's going to be stuffed in envelopes that the dice determines. Right, so we'll put that there, put that there out of the glare. Great. Rightio, so we'll start. I will roll the dice, 1 being well-being, 2 spending, 3 hair, 4 going out, 5 labour and 6 hobbies. One, so that's well-being. Right, that's 3 hair, 4, that's going out. Right, 4 again, going out. Not that I want to, because it's still a bit cold and I don't like cold. Oh dear. 1 well-being. Okay. 2 spending. Come on, come on. 2 spending again. All right, that's okay with me. And we have 1 more to go. Let's see what we've got. 6 hobbies. Aha. All right, so that's that for this week. Let me just count up and see what we've got. I know that I'm way over my threshold for well-being. Let's see what we've got here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Now I'm going to take 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. I'm taking 30 out. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and leave 25 in for well-being, and that is plenty for well-being. Let's see what we've got in spending. That's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 spending. We'll leave that in spending. And let's see what we've got in hair. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That's good. That's getting up there. That's fine. I'm happy with that. Going out, let's see what we've got for going out. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 for going out. So if I take 5 out and we've got 30 left, that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Great. And then let's see what we've got for labour. Labour didn't come in today for anything. 5, 10, 15 for labour. Really want to try and bump this one up as much as I can. And then hobbies, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 for hobbies. I'm going to take this 35 out for hobbies because I have bought some craft supplies and I need to put this back. So that's £35. I've spent a bit more than £35, but it's okay. We'll just roll with it, as it says here. Roll with it. All right, so that's that for this week. And let's put this back, the categories back. Okay, what I most probably do is change up the categories. I've got a couple more categories to put in though, so I will change the well-being for something else. Yeah, I'm going to change up a few of the categories, but I need to sit down and have a really good think about what categories. I did think of a couple a few days back, but it just went right out of my head, so I'm going to have to rethink everything again, because well-being has enough in there, so basically it's fully funded. Well-being. Spending is okay. Hair is okay. I don't mind putting some more in. Going out is fine. Labour, I really want to bump this up, and then I'll start again with hobbies. So I'll think about the categories and I'll decide what I want to do with them. But in the meantime, that is it. That is going to the bank. The sinking fund is over for another week. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back really, really soon. Bye for now.